So hello Rocky, how are you?
Hi Mahima, how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Great, congratulations. Your film is going to release very soon on Voot Lines. Very excited for it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are also very excited about it.
So let's hear a little about the project from you.
Okay, so Lines is a very special film for us. And this was the first film of our co-production heroes. And it is a very simple and very relatable subject. Everybody in the country has heard about these kind of stories, but we've never actually paid attention. Also, probably because in a majority, we've not actually seen a lot of stories talking about the people who live around the borders. You know, they are predominantly the same people, essentially the same people. They are divided by a border line that they never intended to be there. And it has taken people out of their families, which has devastated them. It has taken them out of their homes, and put them in so many regular day-to-day miseries that we can't even imagine. Even to very regular people, very simple people, it has a very, very big impact. So this is Lines, and this is what we want to communicate, and we want to show that sometimes that we hear in the interiors, in the planes, about the stories that happen or anything that happens. We don't really know the background. And Lines is just one attempt, and probably one of the first attempts to tell this story in the most earnest, most honest, and most simple way without exploiting their lives, without exploiting and making it commercial. That is our goal in Lines.
That sounds like a very beautiful movie, and the trailer was dropped a few days ago. We also saw, while you have co-produced the film, we saw you in a blink and miss sequence. So please tell us
Yeah.
about your role.
Actually, it just happened. The writers wrote it very beautifully. Actually, most of the film has been written on inspirations and anecdotes that the writers have gathered across their life from the border and the people that they have met. So even this incident that they have written is based on an actual person who said these actual lines. So when I heard it, and we were about to shoot it, and then we had to go to a remote location, and we were supposed to actually film it. They asked me to do it because they said maybe you will do it better. Though they didn't know how many takes I would take. But it was a good experience and very exciting. I did it for the first time, and I hope I people don't get it as bad as I've done it. Maybe they like it.
No, I have to say the dialogue also that you have said in that one sequence of the trailer, it's very beautiful and it gives an idea of what your role is like. So we are very excited to
Right.
see you in the film.
Thank you so much. I hope that excitement remains the same and it fulfills. It has become like a goal for me right now, that whether I've done justice to that or not. When I was shooting it, it was just like, okay, now I have to finish it. Now people are asking me, it's like, oh my God, I would have done it a little more better.
Okay, so
I
Rob, sorry,
get
I'm sorry,
actors
your voice
that.
is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah.
हाँ जी आप बोल रहे थे.
हाँ, मैंने बोला कि now I understand what actors feel, as what kind of pressure that they feel. As a producer, you don't get to feel that.
Okay, so Rocky, you and Hina share a very close bond. You've been together for a very long time. You've worked together in the past as well. What is the one thing about her as an actress that you love the most?
Uh, Actually, this is the first and foremost thing that actually brought us together. For me and for also, I know for a fact, if there is no respect for each other in terms of how they treat their work, their life, and their families, we wouldn't be able to be together. We are the same kind of person in that. Ina again is a very, very hardworking very dedicated person in terms of everything that she does in her life. So I have an immense amount of respect for her. Like, she can go to any extent to fulfill that part that you bestow her with. That is very important to her. She goes extra miles. She doesn't know the schedule. She forgets whether she's a star or she's a celebrity. She's not supposed to do this or that. There are no such things as borders or lines for her to not cross. She would do anything if that suits the character. So I think that is the most beautiful thing about any person that can be, and obviously about Hina. And it is it is so inspiring that when you're there when she's working, it just inspires you to do more and better yourself. And that I think is a very, very beautiful and important thing. And I'm very fortunate.
That's so sweet. Okay, so Rocky, Hina has come a long way. She began her journey as Akshara, then she was a part of Big Boss and so many shows. I want to ask you, as you are the one who has seen her journey like really closely, as closely as her. I mean, you have been there all along the way. How far do you think she has come as an actor?
Oh, pretty far. I think she's one of a kind, and I, for one, have not really seen so many people. There have been instances, there have been big people who made it uh, to the silver screen, so to say, or the biggest medium that is available in the country. But one thing is very different with Hina. And to point it out, I'll say nobody was exposed as a primary household face as much as Hina. She was the household name for 8 long years. Children grow in 8 years and they have a personality by that time. So it's a very, very big thing that she broke through all those barriers. She broke through all those stereotypes from over the top, or I would say larger than life Bahu. She has become Hina Khan. And to achieve that, I think it's just remarkable. I, for one, have not seen anybody like that. There have been instances who've come from TV, they have ruled the industry, but they were not as exposed probably as Hina. I think the closest reference that I can think of would be probably Shah Rukh Khan and Nidya Bhavan. So even they were not exposed for 8 long years consecutively for every day. So that I think is a very, very remarkable thing for her to be achieving and fulfilling. And I can see that the journey is still very long, and she's an ardent person who can do everything in terms of achieving her goals. And in the future, probably you will be more surprised at how far she's come. And I'm sure she will be as beautiful as ever.
Okay, so now coming to your other co-star, veteran superstar Farida Jalal, how was your experience of working with her?
Oh, Farida ji is amazing. I mean, I have had a fair share of working with seniors in my life, but I can say one thing about seniors, and especially Farida ji. She is like a school. Like, even if you're sitting with her for 5 minutes, you will learn so much. And I, for one, am a very interesting. I'm very interested in learning about what used to happen in the films, because I have always loved films and the way they were made. And when you're working with somebody who's seen all kinds of actors, biggest of the films, biggest of the stars, it's so much to learn. She inspires you so much by giving you these anecdotes and stories that, okay, this happened, that happened. She's like a living encyclopedia. And and when she acknowledges you and when she encourages, okay, now this is what you're doing is right. Okay, no, this is the right thing that you're doing. Then you get a sense of accomplishment, that maybe if somebody who's had so much of experience can see you, even like to see you is a very important thing. Farida ji was phenomenal, and she again was a very, very dedicated person on the sets. Being Farida ji, being the age that she is, she did not stop. I mean, we were shooting in such a remote location in a village, in a small house, but she did not think twice. She had to go through so much because we could not do the same and provide the same means that we would probably in Bombay. But still, she did that. So, hats off to her. I mean, I would love to be like Farida ji when I'm in her, I'm at that age. It's remarkable.
Okay, so Rocky, as a producer, if you had to describe Farida ji and Hina Khan's on-screen bond, how would you describe it in one word?
Dadi and Poti. I mean, that is the biggest example because as Indians, we know Dadi and Pota Poti ka bond is how beautiful and inspiring. You know, more than the direct offsprings, I think Dada Dadi becomes very important for the grandchildren. You know, and they have a very very special bond with them, and that is kind of the feeling that you will see between them in the film, and even off screen. That was the story because they wanted like this instantly. It was like they knew each other for a very long time. Farida ji again is a very smart person, and she knows everything about everybody, so that also helped. And she's very accepting. She has no, okay, no, I will not talk to this kind of person. She would talk to anybody on the sets equally. So that helped, and it was a very, very beautiful bond between them.
Super excited to see that on screen when the film releases.
I'm sure you will love it.
Okay, so I have to ask you one more very important question, but this is not about the film. This is about you. Now that you have had your taste of acting, your experience of acting, I really want to ask you, will you ever share, like if you were ever offered a romantic project opposite Hina, would you say yes to it?
First of all, nobody will be mad enough to offer me such a role. And secondly, I think I am not an actor. I don't want to be an actor. I don't aspire to be an actor. I think actors are phenomenal. They have a certain kind of self-awareness and courage that probably other people don't understand until they actually face the camera. It is so hard. It is so hard. When you're behind the camera, even for years and decades, you don't understand what they do every day of their lives. So I have immense respect for that, and I know that I'm not an actor, and I don't really want to be an actor. But you can probably see me in these kind of small bits here and there.
That would be great too, I'm sure. So thank you so much, Rocky, and all the very best for your upcoming film. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Mahima. Thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate your time here. Thank you.